Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a signature in Google Docs, like a handwritten signature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab, and then select Drawing, select New. At this point, go ahead and type in whatever your signature should be. Click on the little drop-down arrow next to the line item, and you can select Scribble. At this point, just go ahead and do your signature line, and then select Save and Close, and there you go. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.